Today, Army Public School, Allahabad is going to conduct an exhibition on the integrated projects, and the students of class 5D have performed very well on the topic paper boat. The students have described water and the importance of water.
My name is Anushka Raj and I am studying in class 5. Today my topic is paper boats. In English, I have written a poem on paper boats. The rain of tears, flooding my roads of life. Here comes my paper boat, which moves with touch of hope. The waves of uncertainty, deteriorating my peregrination. I need a sail of solidity, valor, and endurance. As wisdom once said, this shall pass too. And this poem is composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Coming to the Hindi model, I have written 10 lines on the topic of बरसात का मौसम हमें क्यों अच्छा लगता है। बरसात का मौसम हमें इसलिए अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि पहला, बारिश का मौसम मानसून है। मानसून का मौसम जून के महीने में शुरू होता है और सितंबर तक चलता है। दूसरा, जुलाई और अगस्त बारिश के मौसम में सबसे अधिक वर्षा वाले महीने होते हैं। बारिश के मौसम में जब बारिश होती है तो भीगने में बहुत आनंद भी आता है। चौथा, बरसात के मौसम में शांत हवा और बारिश के साथ सुखद मौसम होता है। पांचवा, इस मौसम में पौधे, पेड़ और घास बहुत हरे और आकर्षक लगते हैं। छठा, साथ में तालाब, नदी, नालों में भरपूर वर्षा होती है। सातवां, बारिश के मौसम में भारी वर्षा के कारण वातावरण स्वच्छ और ताजा हो जाता है। आठवां, बरसात के मौसम में काले बादल और रोशनी बहुत आम है, जो देखने में बहुत खतरनाक भी है। नौवां, बारिश का मौसम किसानों को फसल की अच्छी खेती के लिए पानी और उसकी मदद प्रदान करता है। 10वां, बारिश का मौसम पौधे और पेड़ों से विभिन्न प्रकार के फल, फूल और सब्जियां देता है। Coming to the maths model, here I have made 4 measuring cylinders. One is 10 ml, second is 50 ml, and third is 100 ml, and the fourth one is 1 liter. We can use these measuring cylinders in measuring liquid things. Now coming to the last model, that is EV's model of the topic is rainwater harvesting. Here is a collection of water and it is also called collection tank of water. The water goes from the pipe for the filtering, and after the filtering the water goes to the well. Here this water has been collected and it is pure and clean. Whenever the people of the city or village can use this water in emergency time. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Radhe Gusain. I study in class 5D. My roll number is 1. I am showing my project. My group name is Paper Boat. I have written 2 poems, one in English and one in Hindi. This poem in English, Paper Boat, has been written by Rabindranath Tagore. And this poem, Meri Kashti, has been written by Ritu Rawal. Rainwater harvesting. The rainwater collects in this collection tank. Then it goes to the purification tank where it purifies. Then it goes to the well where we can use it whenever we want. Thank you, ma'am.
A very good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Today, I, Aradhya Singh of class 5th D, is going to integrate my topics. In my English reader book, there is a poem named Paper Boats. The poet of that poem is Rabindranath Tagore. I have written the biography of Rabindranath Tagore. This is 10 lines of Rabindranath Tagore. And the second activity is related with the topic paper boats. This is the art activity paper boats. These are different types of paper boats. Now the next activity is subject areas, the water transport. This is the boat related based on water transport, and this boat moves with these two sticks. So these three activities made by me. Thank you and have a marvelous day ahead.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ankit Kumar of class 5th D and my roll number is 8. And I have made 2 projects, one in art and craft and one in Hindi. I have written बरसात हमें क्यों अच्छी लगती है, and in art and craft I have made 4 boats and 1 island and 1 coconut tree in the center. And I have written 10 points and on बरसात मुझे क्यों अच्छी लगती है. And I want to listen that points to you. वर्षा ऋतु एक बहुत ही सुहाना ऋतु होती है. बारिश होते ही चारों ओर हरियाली छा जाती है, पेड़ पौधे तेजी से बढ़ते हैं. बारिश की वजह से कई जगह बाढ़ जैसे हालात हो जाते हैं, कई जगह बहुत सुंदर नज़ारा भी बन जाता है, कई जगह बारिश की वजह से खुशहाली छा जाती है. यह जुलाई से आधे सितंबर तक रहता है. इस दौरान हल्की हल्की ठंडी भी पड़ती है. इस दौरान बहुत सारे आम भी उगते हैं. इस कारण मुझे बरसात बहुत पसंद है. And I have and please see my project. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, my name is Aradhya Mishra, class 5th D, roll number 13. My group name is Paper Boat and I have made 2 projects on it. Like I have written few lines on Rabindranath Tagore and made a small sea part. Thank you, ma'am.